Hello guys, welcome to Digital Success Coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website that is going to pay you 90,000 naira monthly. Let me shock you. The website is free update. Yes, and this website will pay you 90,000 naira monthly just by carrying out little activities, by watching videos, and by doing little activities in this website. Yes guys, if today is your first you came across this video, smash on that plus button, not miss out. We post free update in this website. Yes, smash on that plus button. Let's go guys. So the name of the website is called WEALTHRISE. Yes, WEALTHRISE. So guys, stay to the end because there is a gift for you guys. Stay WEALTHRISE. What is WEALTHRISE? WEALTHRISE, money making easy in your space time. Do tasks, watch ads, watch video. No require, no investment require at all. What we do in this website called WEALTHRISE is do tasks, watch ads, watch videos, no require, no investment at all in this website called WEALTHRISE, and it's free update. Yes, it's free update. I will send the link under this video description. Click the link and register by yourself. After register, watch 2 or 3 videos, come to my DM. I will show you how you can withdraw your money fast. Yes guys, this website is free and verified under federal government. So guys, you can see WEALTHRISE is verified under federal government. Yes, it's verified under federal government. It's not an affiliate market at all. This one is different than affiliate market. It's free and it's verified, stamped, sealed, and supported by the federal government. Join us now. Yes guys, don't miss out. Registration is free in this website called WEALTHRISE. Registration is free, totally free, and is verified under federal government. So we live now. Yes, we are now out right now. Register is for free. You can see guys, registration is free. It's totally free. What we do is just watch 3 videos and do tasks in this website called WEALTHRISE. Yes, it's totally free. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Registration for free. Cash your winning stack on WEALTHRISE. Cash your winning track on WEALTHRISE in this website called WEALTHRISE. Keep the track alive. Keep the reward coming in this website called WEALTHRISE. Don't miss out. Get paid daily on WEALTHRISE. We count your effort as your profit here. Stick and win. Watch videos and win in this website called WEALTHRISE. Why choose WEALTHRISE package? Why are you choosing WEALTHRISE package? It's because it's free update. It's not an affiliate market. It's free update. Trader load access. You can borrow in this website called WEALTHRISE for your business. Trader load to grow your business or also in this website called WEALTHRISE. Higher earns. Number 2 is higher earns. Get access to more daily activities. Get access in daily activities in this website called WEALTHRISE. And you have access with AI. Earn by AI in this website. You can make money through the power of AI in this website. Welcome freebie. Receive 10 gig of data. Yes, instantly when you register by yourself, you will receive 10 gig free in this website called WEALTHRISE. Yes guys, it's free. What you need is just watch videos, do some tasks, that's all. Yes, it's free. Test it. So you can see this my dashboard. One video is 9,600. What we do is just watch the videos. In a day it's 3 videos. Yes, it's 3 videos. You can see 960, 9,600. See second one, 9,600 per video. Yes, it's not a scam, it's free and verified under federal government. Just watch video and task and make your money. Yes, in a month it's 90,000 naira. It's 900,000 naira. Yes, 900,000 naira. Don't miss out. It's free and verified under federal government. You can see the task. The task is 7 in number. You can see per one task is 8,000 naira. Per one task is 8,000 naira. You can see my hand. I just started. 392,000 naira. Yes, 392,000 naira. By a month, I will be earning like 900,000 naira. Yes, this website is free. You can see my hand. 392,000 naira. See, you can see the task. So these guys, don't miss out. Don't miss out. It's free and it's verified under federal government. Per one task is 8,000 naira. Per one task is 8,000 naira. Yes, and it's 7 in number. Don't miss out. So guys, when you register under me, when you watch the video, you activate in your daily tasks, come to my DM and you will get access to my free data app. You understand? When you register under me, when you register, watch the videos and do your daily tasks. When you do all these things, come to my DM and tell me how to withdraw. So I will teach you how you can withdraw your money. This website called WEALTHRISE. You will have access with my free data app. When you watch the video, you do your daily tasks, everything, come to my DM and you have access with my free data app. Get up to 40 gig for free for all network. 40 gig for all network. Spice app, special app, free mobile app. You can watch a lot of videos in online and you gain access with my auto save contact app. This contact will save your number automatically and you will learn how to withdraw money using Facebook and TikTok. Yes, and I will teach you step by step guide how to make money online. Yes, and I will teach you high income skills for free, like digital skills, free crypto and all of that. So don't forget, smash on that plus button and I will drop the link under this video description. Click on the link, subscribe, watch the videos and do your daily tasks. Come to my DM and comment how to withdraw and you gain access to my free app. So guys, easy WEALTHRISE cash. It's easy. You can see free registration ongoing. Don't miss out. It's free and verified under federal government. You can see my first withdrawal. So guys, this is my first withdrawal. Don't miss out. This is my first withdrawal. Guys, don't miss out. I will drop the link under this video description. Don't miss out. Guys, don't miss out. It's free.